Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
The place where we break down the coolest gadgets, tools, and kits on the market to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best chemistry set for kids that lets them safely explore the world of science right at home. The UNGLINGA 150 Experiment Science Kit. Now, if you've been searching for an educational toy that's not only fun but also gets your kid thinking like a real scientist, this one's a gem. The UNGLINGA kit is packed with 150 exciting experiments designed to stimulate curiosity in children, covering a broad range of topics from earth sciences and chemistry to physics and surface tension. It's an all-in-one STEM educational experience. Opening the box, you're greeted with a whole range of tools and materials. We're talking high-quality plastic beakers, test tubes, measuring spoons, droppers, safety goggles, and even a volcano mold. While it doesn't include a lab coat, the kit has almost everything you need to get started immediately. Most experiments can be performed with the materials provided, and a few might ask for common household items like vinegar or baking soda, which makes it super accessible. One of the standout features here is the illustrated manual. It's colorful, step-by-step, and super easy for kids to follow along. This isn't one of those dry, hard-to-understand science books. Instead, it walks them through each project with visuals and simple instructions, making it suitable for kids as young as 6 and just as engaging for pre-teens around 12 or 13. Experiments include classic favorites like the erupting volcano, crystal formation, and fizzy reactions. But what makes it better than your average science kit is the sheer variety. You're not repeating the same trick 10 different ways. There's an actual learning curve. Kids will start to recognize patterns, understand how different materials react, and maybe even ask their own scientific questions. And here's the thing. This isn't just about playtime. It's about structured fun that doubles as an educational tool. Whether it's the weekend, a rainy day, or a school break, this kit keeps kids engaged without screen time. Plus, parents, this is a golden opportunity to bond with your children over something educational and exciting. No complicated setups, no hazardous chemicals, just good, clean science. Now let's talk about the build quality. Every tool in the kit feels durable and kid-friendly. The plastic is sturdy enough to handle multiple uses, and the sizes are perfect for small hands. Even the safety goggles are functional and adjustable, making your child feel like a real scientist while keeping their eyes protected during splashier experiments. Although the kit can't be shipped to all international locations, it's widely available in the US and often earns the Amazon's Choice badge for a reason. It delivers value, variety, and a great balance of fun and learning. So whether you're looking for the perfect birthday gift, a Christmas surprise, or just something to keep your child actively learning, the UNGLINGA 150 Experiment Science Kit checks all the right boxes. It's imaginative, it's educational, and most importantly, it's safe. That wraps up our hands-on look at this incredible chemistry set for kids. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique, and ring the bell so you never miss a review that helps you shop smarter. Got a question or another product you want us to test? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, curiosity is the first step to discovery. Catch you in the next one.